We're gonna get started by sifting together our dry ingredients. If you'd like to bake along with us, you can go ahead and follow our recipe, take a screenshot, and we're gonna get started. We are gonna start with our flour. I'm gonna sift it through. I'm gonna start including our cocoa powder so we can sift this through together. To set aside our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, we are going to whisk together the remaining ingredients, and all you need for this step is a hand whisk, or you can use a hand mixer. Let's start by adding our sugar, and next we're gonna go ahead and add in our eggs. We're adding our espresso powder, extract. Now we're just going to whisk this together. Now, using a spatula, we're going to mix these together. So we're going to pour our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. Don't forget to include your warm buttermilk. And now using a spatula, we're just going to fold them together. You want to make sure to thoroughly fold so that you're breaking up any remaining pockets of flour that you might find in your mix. Our chocolate chunks are now mixed in and our batter is ready to go. And now using a scoop, we are going to scoop our muffin batter into our liners. So we will be adding 2 scoops to each. Make sure you're filling up your liners. Now before we throw these into the oven, we are going to top them off with a few more chocolate chunks. Cupcakes are now cooled, and we're going to fill these with some dark chocolate ganache. You can use a cupcake pourer to pull out the center, or you can grab something along the lines of this size and just poke the center, just to leave a little space for the ganache. You want to just insert it through the top. Careful not to touch the bottom. We don't want any ganache spilling through the bottom. You're just creating a small space for our ganache to sit. Transfer our ganache to a piping bag, and then we're going to pipe this into our muffins. I'm just going to pipe some into the little space that we created. And just do that for each muffin. Be sure to subscribe to the Baked Deco channel for more content like this.